Y'all read the book, The Other Westmore? Well, this book is called The Westmore and Shorty Story. Me and Westmore go back to 2014 when Karen wrote the book, The Criminalization of Poverty. It's about ex-felons and ex-felons reassimilating back into society. I already had my paperwork in order. You can contact Karen York, Nicole Mundo out for justice, Mayor Brandon Scott. I gave y'all a program for ex-felons. Shorty's, the self-help organization for the redevelopment, re-education of the young. It dealt with this. That's Governor Westmore. You didn't let me at your inauguration, but this is the Governor Westmore and Shorty story. I'm an honorably discharged veteran of the United States Navy, 1978-79, Contra. I ran Contra, all right? That's the mayor of Montgomery, Alabama, and that's Mayor Scott. I gave you a reentry program. I gave you a reentry program for ex-felons. This is Shorty's, self-help organization for the redevelopment and re-education of the young, all right? I gave you economic development skills. I gave you political. I gave you medical, environmental, and I gave you educational. I gave you religious callings, health and medical, construction, business, real estate, and horticulture, all right? I also gave you this: visual and performing arts, political involvement, photography, journalism, technology, law, sports, cultural exchanges. Ain't no law against making a movie about you. Social media for social change. The Maryland Volunteer Lawyers for the Arts. So they're looking for my property. Ivan Bates got my property. Governor Westmore, you got my property. It's my intellectual property. It's covered under the First Amendment of the Constitution. All right? First Amendment of the Constitution. That's Kwaise and Fume in Shorty. That's Benjamin Brooks in Shorty. The video vigilante got a story called Shorty. We're going to talk about Jayne Miller, FCC violations, WBAL, Barry Sims, Omar Juentes. We're going to talk about Scott Shellenberger, false imprisonment, lying to the grand jury. We're going to talk about Mayor Pugh. She's my witness. Mayor Stephanie Rawlins Blake. We're going to talk about you too. But more than anything, we're going to talk about Governor Hogan, because that's voter suppression in the 2024 elections. You took me off the ballot. All right? President Obama asked for an investigation. We have a postal inspector investigate this. That's Joshua Harris from the NAACP. That's Boom. That's me. This is my gang of misfit friends. It's the Baltimore block. And I'm the best of the best in Baltimore. 2011, y'all locked me up for shitting on people. I'm going to do it again. This is to prove I was making a movie about race and racism, all right? In your judicial system. And it's all here. That's your prison industry. Department of Corrections. All right? And you got that? And right here, that's Chief Justice Roberts of the Supreme Court. All right? See the date? 2013. So Governor Westmore, let's tell the truth and shame the devil. That's the 2021 Weaver Award winner. I got that from Governor Hogan. He didn't know he gave it to me. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. That's Senator Ben Cardin's. In regards to your documentary, I will not be able to appear. All right? And that's Senator Ben Cardin's. That's Barbara Mikulski, 2009. All right? Dutch Rupersberger, Attorney General, and my ID number. False imprisonment for filming a documentary. The documentary ain't over with. I asked you for exoneration of the Supreme Court. The documentary is social media, social change. It showed parole and probation. So in 2024, ex-felons got a right to vote. Not only do we got a right to vote and run for office, and Governor Hogan had me taken off the ballot. So Attorney General Anthony Brown, we talking about mass incarceration in your prison industry. You feel me? And it's right here. Mass incarceration in your prison industry. Attorney General Anthony Brown is involved in this, so you need a special prosecutor. Ain't no law against making a movie. That's my First Amendment rights. So Governor Westmore, what you gonna do? No one left behind? I'm an honorably discharged veteran of the United States Navy. I took an oath to defend the country against all terrorists, foreign and domestic. You feel me? Foreign and domestic. It's a ghetto Da Vinci Code.